Hello guys, today I want to show you the Python language usage here. Here's the practice question. As this question on the right side is given by the UC Berkeley Computer Science 61A class. Even if you are not a Berkeley student, you're still welcome to watch this video because it's just for practicing. Yeah. So if you're curious about the whole question, what is he asking for? So there's a source link. Source site, and that's the question 5 here. Okay, right now, before moving on this question, I have to test your basic understanding of lambda function first. So here there are two questions I gave you. If you understand what they mean, you can move on. Yeah, you can move on the question only if you understand what the test means here. Okay, right now, start on here. So you can pause the video and look at the question what it's asking for. So you can see this is the dot test, and you can look at these examples. Yeah, I think it's easy to understand what they mean here. So okay, right now let's get started here. So the first four. Okay. So the first here. Sorry, yes. Okay. First of all, here's the definition. Lava Hopper definition. Hopper. Okay. Let me skip. Let me skip the first line here. So the part A. So you can on the right side you can see the fixed amount of lines it gave you. Yeah, and then you can try to understand what they mean or to solve. So from part A. So if the what if the start number equals to what? Sorry, wait a second. If the lambda function of the start number, it gives you true. It gives you true, which means return, which you have to return the no lava allowed here. Okay, so it's the first. It's the how to say? It's the first test here. First if condition statement here. Okay, now if there's no lava, so you can move on while the what start number. So we have to use the start number and increment the start, and not I mean update the start number to reach the goal number. We don't need to assign a new variable to store the start number. We can just directly use the start number and change the value of the start number, because the start number is useless after returning the function. So we can just directly change the value of the start number. But it's not always. So you have to look at the situation. It depends on the situation here. So while statement. B. Okay. Sorry. I missed something here. You have to test the goal number as well. Sorry, my mistake here. Not only the start number, you have to test the goal number as well to check if the starting number and the starting number is they are in the lava, right? So if they are, so you cannot do the while test, while loop here. So, and next one, you have to do the another while. While if it's in the lava, if the start number is in the lava, what should we do? So you have to decrement the start number equals to start number minus the 1 until the current number that's not in the lava. Yeah. So that's the part. So that's the line D. And no, sorry, it's the line. Yeah, it's the line D. Line D. Or you could just use the minus equals. They're the same meaning. Okay. And find out the line E. If you, after the while loop and you find out the start number that's not in the lava, so what should you do? So you can update update the start number. How do you update the start number? So next hop using the another lambda function next hop the start number and returning the new number. What? Where is that? So start number equals to the next hop of the start number and save the new value to the current start number. So that means you're updating the start number right now, and then the F the line F you have to increment the hops number of hops as you're counting the hops. So increment the number of hops by 1 each time. Why? Why? Because here you see the while statement, it has to make sure the start number is not in the lava in that moment. If it's in the lava, you have to decrement, you have to move back the start number until it's not in the lava right now. If it's not the lava right now, so you can wait a second. What? Just one more. Just one more line. This one you had just delete this line. Delete this code. Okay. So if the start number is not in lava, so you can update the start number by using the next hop lambda function. Okay, because you already right now you update the start number, so you can increment the number of hops. Here. So that's the solution of this question. So here's the A, and here's the B, C. Wait, so it's not the A. It's the A, E, C, D, E, F. So that's how it works here. If you have any ideas, you're welcome to comment it here below the video. Okay, see you.